your chest piece will arrive like this, with the shoulders unattached. So your first step is going to be attaching the shoulders. With the shoulders, the difference between the front and the back is that the back, it has a larger plate on the extended shoulder, and the front is slightly smaller. To assemble the armor, simply take the leather strap located at the top of the pauldron and slip it through the 2 D-rings located at the top of the chest piece. Tuck the leather strap over the first D-ring and then under the second one and pull to adjust to your shoulders. And then take the strap, slip it underneath the armor, and tie a simple knot to secure the leather. And make sure it remains tucked underneath the pauldron. To put one of our chest pieces on, to begin, you'll have one side completely loosened as well as both underarms, and one side done loosely. And then slip the chest piece on through the side. Usually best to remove glasses and such during this procedure. And then if you have a buddy, they can begin by taking the bottom back panel, making sure it is underneath the bottom front panel, and lightly do up the straps. Move on to the next layer, same way, back underneath front. Lightly snug it. Keep moving up. Once you have it completely done up, you can check to make sure that both sides match. And if not, you can go ahead and snug up one side. Once everything is properly fitted, you can tuck the tails of the armor underneath to make everything nice and smooth and fitted. And then do up the underarms. Take the underarm strap, slip it through the buckle, and pull snug. Tuck underneath, and then continue to tuck the leather up underneath the pauldron so as to hide that strap. Do this to both sides, and then you'll have a completed armor look. And the completed armor look.